So today we're throwing harder and harder balls at the shield. So we're starting with the golf ball. All right, now that we won, that one's just a soft one. So, all right, and then the tennis ball. Yeah. All right, and then the actual ball. With an actual base. And somehow I survived them all. How? Now, do you want to do it? All right. All right. There's that other one, and then there's that, and then there's that, and then there's no. This is the really hard one. Okay. Get your head under. Oh, I did this for life. After that, died. So, bye.